can go live whenever they feel like it, but does that make you feel better?
It does.
I'm not okay with this building. 66
Always hopeful with that 30 count. Oh, spring eternal.
moving fast on you, or were they belly crawling? They were belly crawling. Yeah, I figured they were gonna. That's just what I said.
Well, like we saw, we
Good advance, guys. I didn't see you coming through the grass.